The rising cost of cars in India, a reality check for buyers. Recently, someone raised a valid concern about car pricing in India: no massive discounts, ever-rising costs, and the continued sale of E20 fuel. Honestly, it makes me wonder if it's better to ditch my car altogether and just buy a bicycle. Imagine a trend of bicycles taking over the roads. We could save fuel, avoid long waits at service stations, and escape this crazy pricing game. Cars are more than transportation for many, they're a symbol of status. But today, even a 1.5L engine car that once cost half the price is now nearly double. Add to that costly spare parts, labor, and long waiting times for servicing. Except for Maruti, most manufacturers don't make it easy for their customers. Tata Motors, the so-called Desh-Ka Loha, isn't exactly cheap either. Investing 1112 lakh in a Nexon for a 10.25-inch fully digital driver's display? The only viable option ends up being the pure variant. Sure, you might get a discount, but it costs 1.6 Indian rupees lakh extra for better features. Affordability is fast becoming a myth. Volkswagen VW seems transparent in pricing, but their service and parts are still expensive. Even with ads promising reduced costs, a standard service can still run 15K. Skoda? Honestly disappointing. Their dealerships show little enthusiasm unless you chase them. Compared to VW, Skoda barely makes the cut. Citroën doesn't impress either. The cars look dull, with recycled designs and uninspiring interiors. Even if the engines are good, the sales numbers tell the real story. Renault and Nissan seem half-hearted. For instance, the Kiger is priced higher than expected, and test drives aren't arranged unless you push for it. Mahindra focuses mostly on SUVs and EVs. XUV 300, Thar, and XUV 700. Hatchbacks and sedans are almost non-existent. Hopefully, Mahindra brings sensible models into their lineup soon. Honda and Toyota once had strong, diverse portfolios. Now, Honda offers only the City, Amaze, and Elevate, while Toyota mostly rebadges Maruti models. Mechanically solid? Yes. Exciting options? Hardly. Milligram Motors is mechanically inconsistent, low on mileage, and unreliable. Their strength seems to lie in EVs. Maybe that's where they should stick. The reality is clear. Car buyers in India are paying more for less. Service delays, expensive parts, rising fuel prices, and limited options are testing patience. Meanwhile, brands continue to market their vehicles as affordable and premium value while the middle class struggles to keep up. Maybe it's time to rethink mobility in India. Cycles, EVs, and smarter public transport could be the way forward. At the very least, buyers should be aware that the dream of owning a car has become increasingly expensive and frustrating.